Satu, dua, tiga. Mulai. Udah. Mana kok nggak ada ininya? Udah di record belum?
Udah.
Astagfirullah. Udah gitu. Awalnya kedengar.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
This occasion, I will read the reading text of TOEFL. There are 3 passages, and after I read that, I will give a question for the audience. Siap-siap ya yang mau kasih pertanyaan. Okay, let's start to the passage 1. Kelihatan kan semuanya ini? Layar Aul?
Kelihatan.
Itu susah lagi digeser slide gua. Text 1. Awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1918, German physicist Max Planck is best remembered as the originator of the quantum theory. His work helped users in a new era in theoretical physics and revolutionized the scientific community's understanding of atomic and subatomic processes. Planck introduced an idea that led to the quantum theory, which became the foundation of 20th century physics. In December 1900, Planck worked out an equation that described the distribution of radiation accurately over the range of low to high frequency. He had developed a theory which depended on a model of matter that seemed very strange at the time. The model required the emission of electromagnetic radiation in small chunks or particles. These particles were later called quantums. The energy associated with each quantum is measured by multiplying the frequency of the radiation. Patrick nih kalau masuk udah tadi. Maaf ya guys. Tadi aku sampai mana nih? The energy associated with each quantum is measured by multiplying the frequency of the radiation, V, by a universal constant. H, thus, energy, or E equal half. The constant H is known as Planck constant. It is now recognized as one of the fundamental constants of the world. Planck announced his finding in 1900, but it was years before the full consequence of his revolutionary quantum theory were recognized. Bacanya apa sih? Throughout his life, Planck made significant contribution to optics, thermodynamics, and statistical mechanics, physical chemistry, and other fields. In 1930, he was elected president of the Kaiser Wilhelm Society, which was renamed the Max II. Thought deeply opposite to the fascist regime of Adolf Hitler, Planck remained in Germany throughout. He died in Göttingen on October 4, 1947. Ini langsung ke pertanyaan text 1 atau text 2 dulu yang dibaca semua? Sampai text 3.
Text 1 aja.
Text 1 dulu, lu kasih pertanyaan.
Ya.
Ya. Ada yang mau tanya? Enggak semua itu pasti jawabannya. Jadi ini kan tadi aku udah baca teksnya. Kalau kurang jelas kan bisa dibaca juga. Terus ini kan Aul ngasih pertanyaan. Cuma satu doang, satu teks Aul satu pertanyaan aja. Yang gampang-gampang. Siapa ya?
Izin ini ya kamar mandi bentar. Kebelet woi.
Kaikis deh. Kaikis bisa dengar Aul nggak?
Bisa.
Ya. Siap, Kak.
Insya Allah.
Ya. Jangan ketawa.
Izin ya mau mandi.
Questionnya
Enggak.
dengan Aul ya, Kak. Questionnya ada di PPT, Kak.
Ya.
Questionnya, in which of the following files did Max Planck not make a significant contribution? I'll ulang ya. In which of the following files, lapangan ya files itu, did Max Planck not make a significant contribution? Ada A, optics.
Ya, ini slide-nya tolong pindahin dulu ke pertanyaan.
Pertanyaannya nggak ada di slide PPT Aul. Ya. Nggak Aul buat slide. Aul chat aja ya.
Aul dilihat partisipan.
Pindahin dulu screen-nya ke ini.
Screen-nya. Aul nggak buat PPT yang question.
Soalnya putus-putus.
Apa sih? Aulnya nggak dengar.
Suara Kak Ikis yang putus-putus, Kak.
Aul partisipannya ya. Imalia mau ini gabung.
Ya.
Aul.
Haikis dengar Aul jelas nggak? Haikis. Haikis bisa dengar Aul jelas. Halo.
Halo.
Ya.
Sorry, susah sinyal tadi. Ulangin sekali lagi. Maaf ya.
Iya, nggak apa-apa, Kak. Ya, Kak. Dengerin Aul ya, Kak.
Dengar.
In which of the following fields did make a contribution?
Ya.
Pilihannya, optionnya ada A, optics, B, thermodynamics, C, statistical mechanics. Nanti I'll share dulu ini ya. C, statistical mechanics. D, biologi. Mana ya tadi I'll kirim, sabar. Optionnya ada 4, yaitu yang E, optics, B, thermodynamics,
D, biology. The answer is
Ya. Betul.
D. Poin plus 5. Poin plus 5.
Ya, the answer.
Kenapa, Kak? Answer-nya D.
eh dari paragraf dari paragraf awal sampai kedua
Hmm?
itu kayaknya kelihatan.
Ya, karena dari
Karena
paragraf terakhir menyatakan 4 bidang yang dikontribusikan oleh Planck dan biologi tidak disebut
ya,
sebagai salah satu kontribusi ini. Selamat Kak Ikis, poin
Iya.
plus 5. Gak jadi TOD.
nggak 100. NJ, kayak NJ. NJ kan 100. Aduh,
100.
udah ya
Kalau
guys.
1000 nggak apa-apa. 1000 susu.
Keluar rumah ini soalnya nyari sinyal.
Next ya guys. Oh ini belum awal ACC semua orang ini. Naila
Ya,
bisa
next.
bantu ACC gak?
Oke, next.
Aul aja.
Sabar dong ini. Sabar ya ini.
Ya.
Aku lagi nge-ACC orang-orang. Man, jangan keluar-keluar guys.
Sinyal Aul.
Lanjut ya, text to next. Dan Aul baca, jangan Aul baca. Text 2. Throughout history, people have been victim of pickpockets. Today, pickpocketing is one of the most rapidly increasing crimes. Gua nggak kelihatan. Pickpockets are increasing in number and developing better methods to practice their skill. Approximately 1 million Americans lose money to pickpockets every year, and none is really safe from skilled pickpockets. His victims, or marks as they are called, can be rich or poor, young or old. During the 18th century, pickpockets were hanged in England. Large crowds of people would gather watch the hanging, which was supposed to be a
Mirip punya
warning
Indora itu.
to
Iya,
other
Indor
pickpockets.
kemarin.
Sama ini sama NJ.
Iya, sama benar.
Yaudah nggak apa-apa ya. Berarti udah ada yang
Ya,
tahu
nggak
dong.
apa-apa. Lanjut.
However, in time the practice was discontinued. The reason why people were attentively watching the hanging of pickpockets. Other pickpockets skillfully stole the money of spectators. Police officials say that the most efficient pickpockets come from South America. Many of these expert pickpockets are trained in special school called Jingle Bell School. A pickpocket graduate from GBS when he is able to steal a wallet from a dresses dummy that has bells inside its pockets. Even the most well-dressed, respectable person may be a pickpocket. Some of the favorite places of pickpockets are banks, airports, restaurants, supermarkets, elevators, and train and bus station. Oftentimes, a pickpocket will work with another pickpocket as his partner. Another kind of pickpockets works outside or inside bar, and specialist in stealing from women is called a purse snatcher. To avoid being the victim of a pickpocket, it's important to be very cautious and alert when in the midst of large gathering of the people. Langsung question ya. Kok tambah
Ya,
galak? Siapa nih? Lucky. Lucky.
Apa,
Can you
weh?
hear me? Alokasi question mau harus mau.
Lagi nonton gue. Yaudah.
Bisa dengar suara Aul dengan jelas tidak?
Yo.
Ini teks 2. Pertanyaannya Aul. Lucky simak dengan baik-baik. The question is A. Pickpockets are well dressed. B. Jingle bells cool. C. Pickpockets. D. The engine of pickpockets. Mau diulang nggak? Butuh diulang.
Ulang sekali lagi.
The question
Ulang.
is, what is the best pickpocket dress? B. Terbang. Jingle bells cool. C. Pickpockets. D. The hanging of pickpockets.
The answer is pickpockets. I think so.
Okay, congrats for your +5.
Okay, thank you.
Kenapa sih jawabannya teman-teman sekalian? Karena keseluruhan bacaan di atas ini, di teks ini menjelaskan tentang pickpockets. Kalau Jingle Bell School kan dia cuma di paragraf berapa nih?
3.
Ya.
Anjayani.
Jadi itu ya jawabannya pickpockets karena keseluruhan dari teks di atas itu semuanya membahas tentang pickpockets. Bisa dilanjut ke teks 3 biar kelompok 1 bisa presentasi.
Oke, gaskan.
Bisa. Jadi dulu, ini ada yang mau masuk lagi nggak nih? Nggak ada yang masuk lagi. Hai Nico, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Ya.
Yeah.
Lanjut teks 3 ya. Ini sama lagi nggak nih dengan NJ? Enggak ya? Yang nggak tahu berarti kemarin nggak nyimak. Oke, teks 3. Robert Mook was... siapa lagi ini? Mas Patrick ini kalau masuk aja. Robert Mook was an American inventor who developed the Mook synthesizer. It was one of the first synthesizer to gain widespread as a musical instrument. Moog synthesizers were an important part of musical innovation in rock and jazz music in the 1960s and 1970s. Robert Arthur Moog was born in Queens, a borough of New York City 75 years ago. He became fascinated with electronic as a teenager, particularly an early electronic music instrument called the theremin. Moog studied physics and electrical engineering at Queens College and Columbia University, both in New York City, and later received a PhD in engineering physics Cornell University in Ithaca, New York, in 1954. While still an undergraduate student, Mook formed his own company to sell the termines and termines kits. Soon after, Mook began working on a keyboard instrument that could replicate the sound of any musical instrument. Working with American composer Herbert Dutch, Mook introduced the prototype Moog synthesizer at a convention in 1964. The device represented a significant advance over previous electronic synthesizer because of its use new semiconductor technology, which made it smaller and considerably cheaper than earlier machines. The Moog, as it was known, was soon in demand by musicians all over the world. In 1964, Moog began a collaboration with American composer and organist Walter Carlos, who released the best-selling electronic music album Switch on Beach in 1968. Rock groups such as the Beatles and jazz musicians such as Herbie Hancock and Chick Corea began incorporating Moog synthesizer into their recording. A trend then increased when the company introduced the compact and portable Mini Moog in 1970. A Moog synthesizer was also prominently featured on the soundtrack to the movie A Clockwork Orange in 1971. Okay, enough. So now I will choose one of you to answer the question. Lihat dulu ya orang-orangnya. Niko, Novi, Nisa, Arisa mau presentasi, jangan ditanya, ntar dia pusing. Arisa Nurjana. NJ. Kayaknya ditinggal nih. NJ. Ganti deh kalau NJ. NJ ada. Ini ditinggal deh sama dia. Yaudah, Evi deh. Evi ada. Evi, bisa denger Aul? Kok nggak ada yang jawab? Aul panggil. Evi.
Lagi pada bobo ya.
Evi. Ih, berasa banget.
Oh,
Jawab question Aul ya.
ya udah dicoba ya. Gila sih, untung lo teriak tadi itu.
Emang suara gue nih menggetarkan dunia.
Ya.
Ada notif nggak di HP lo? Di HP Anda. Tadi saya ngechat Anda biar Anda bangun bobo. Evi bisa dengar suara Aul dengan jelas? Bisa dengar suara Aul nggak? Evi?
Bisa,
Stipar.
bisa, bisa.
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 Tadi nyimak, Aul baca teks.
Nyimak.
Kalau kurang jelas kan bisa dibaca. Jadi, ini question terakhir dari 3 teks Aul tentang TOEFL. Tolong dijawab ya. Ini Aul bacain. The question is, the word prominently in paragraph 3, di paragraf 3, can easily be replaced by. Jadi, the word prominently ini replace-nya by apa? Ada 4 option. A, significantly. B, perfectly. C, accurately. Dan D, excellently.
A maybe.
Hah?
A maybe. A.
Kenapa jawabannya A?
Because because karena kedengaran
Ya.
nggak?
Kedengeran.
Karena itu jelas.
Jelasnya
Jelasnya itu
Oke. Karena prominently ini artinya itu secara menonjol. Jadi yang paling kelihatan. Jadi
di antara yang lain.
ya alasan be replaced by yang Evi tadi jawab significantly itu significantly itu artinya jelas. Berarti prominently itu kan secara keseluruh, secara menonjol yang paling kelihatan, dan significantly ini kan dengan jelas. Jadi itu ya persamaannya yang bisa di replace. Sementara perfectly ini artinya sempurna, accurately ini akurat, keakuratan, dan excellently ini dengan baik. Jadi jawaban benar, significantly. Plus point 5 ya. Evi.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Tadi teman-teman yang udah dapet poin 5, diingat-ingat ya, dicatat poinnya. Nico, can you sit down please? Nico, can you sit down please?
Yes, I'll sit down.
Nico, can you hear me, Nico?
Yeah.
Ya. Oke. I know for you guys. Thank you for attention. Akhirul kalam, wallahul muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ini suara lo putus-putus deh.
All about TOEFL and IELTS, and then my name is Anissa Bitrizian Melintika, and my partner is siapa? Arisa. And then after material, I will choose one people for answer my question. Okay? Mulai ya gue.
Ya.
Large sea animals have gained an unfair reputation for being first predator of large sea animal humanity unfold. Wah, ini nggak ada yang bisa bantuin ini ACC-in tau weh. And heart of this ancient creature is leading toward with Lord that might result in the extinction of
Alhamdulillah.
of many coastal shark species. The shark is the victim of a warped attitude of wildlife protection, which strive only to protect the beautiful, non-threatening part of our environment, and in our effort to restore only non-threatening part of our we ignore other important part. A perfect illustration of this attitude is the constraining attitude toward another large sea animal, the dolphin darling, the 1000 environmentalists in the United States protested the use of drift net for tuna finishing in the Pacific. One science this net also called dolphins. The environmentalists generated enough political and economic pressure to prevent tuna company from buying tuna that had been caught in drift nets in
Lo ngomong
contract.
apa sih?
Gak tahu ini drift nets in contract to this effort on behalf of the dolphin.
Gila, enggak.
Gersak-gersak.
Gituin lo, Tai.
The same environmentalists have done very little to help save the Pacific wine shark whose population has decreased nearly to the point of extinction. Sharks are among the oldest creatures on Earth. Having survived in the seas for more than 3 million years, they are extremely efficient animals, feeding on one-third of dying animals, thus performing an important role in nature of weeding out the weaker animal in a species. Just the species such as the great white shark have managed to live in the once for so many millions of years is enough proof of their efficient and adaptability to change environments. It is time for us who may know suffer another. Namanya mana sih? At the rate we are damaging in the planet to cast away all our first and being considering the protection of shark as an important part of a program for protection of all our natural environment. Questionnya ya guys, text one. Ini ngelihatnya gimana sih?
Sa, itu model jilbab apa, Sa?
Diam dulu Jan, ini pening partner saya hilang.
Lo ini bener Jan.
Kepada for Ojan, please answer my question.
Anjay.
Anjir, langsung gua kena.
Jangan di record lo, diam.
Apa pertanyaannya?
With which of the following topic is this physics primarily concurred? Lihat di Jan, buka WA saya, Jan.
Mana pertanyaannya?
Tuh, yang saya kirim.
Jawabannya mana?
Ya, Ojan ini record loh, Jan. Ih, bego bener loh.
Large. Ya, terus? Oh, ini nomor 1. With which of following topics is the passage primarily concerned? Pilih yang mengikuti topik dalam bagian utama. C. SARC illustrate a problem in wildlife protection.
Why?
Why? Because shark sering kali diburu dan terancam punah karena praktik yang tidak bertanggung jawab di penjuru dunia.
Thank you, Ojan, for the answer. Kayak mana sih? Okay. For the text 2 ya guys. Bengal tiger, since the war has become industrialized, there has been an increase in the number of animal species that have aged become extinct or have neared extinction. Bengal tigers, the years 2025, their population is estimated to be down to zero. What is alarming about the case of the Bengal tiger is that this extinction will have been caused almost entirely by poachers who, according to some sources, are not interested in material gain, but in personal gratification. This is an example of the callousness that is part of what is causing the problem of extinction. Animals like the Bengal tiger, as well as another species, are a valuable part of the world ecosystem. International laws protecting these animals must be enacted to ensure their survival and the survival of our planet. Countries around the world have begun to deal with the problem in various ways. Some countries, in order to circumvent the problem, have allocated large amounts of land to animals reserve. They charge admission to help defray the cost of maintaining the park, and they often must also depend on organization for support. With the money they get, they can invest in equipment and patrol to protect the animals. Another solution that is an attempt to stop the tide of animals extinction in an international boycott of products made from endangered species. This seems very effective, but it but it will not by itself prevent animals from being hunted and killed. Okay, the the next question for siapa weh? Nova Anissa. Nova, dengar nggak?
Iya, dengar.
Siap nggak?
Siap, insya Allah.
Okay. The question is, what is the main topic of the passage? A. The Bengal tiger. B. International boycotts. C. Endangered species. D. Problem with industrialization. What is the main topic of the passage?
I think the answer is C.
Why?
Because paragraf tersebut membahas hewan-hewan yang terancam punah.
Ya, thank you Nova.
Oke.
Duh. Udah ya weh? Oh enggak deh. Text 3 ya. Solar is popping up just about everywhere. Even landfills and parka pockets. So why not roads? The Netherlands built the first solar roads, a big part in 2000 berapa sih 14 tuh itulah pokoknya. France announced about moving January. Over the next 5 years, in planning to install kilometers of solar roads designed to support power to 5 million people. That's not all. Idaho-based solar roadways have received 3 rounds of U.S. government funding with an additional $2 million in venture capital to test its technology. The tempered glass panel often asphalt-like traction of semi-trucks include LEDs for signaling and contain heating elements to melt snow and ice. called solar panel really paved the road of the proponents see endless possibilities, but this question about choice, efficiency, and durability. The sheer amount of surface each country devoted to roadway is enormous, allowing this space to double as a solar farm could have very positive implication in the battle to put a halt to climate change. They estimate that their panels, if used in lieu of exit if you if used in lieu of exiting U.S. road and walking ways, could product that 3 times the electric in the unit stage. Basic, they say their panel could change extract vehicles. First on solar park vehicles will moving. Aside from road those particularly blacker dust and diesel exhaust, which will quickly cover a possible continuous says Jacobson, Endingdale, and more repeat than other panels. Despite they need Earth technology adopted like China that went to leapfrog in development. Okay, the question for
Work on.
siapa ya? Laila, dengar nggak? Lai, Ima dengar nggak?
Dengar.
Aku kasih pertanyaan ya, Ima.
Oke.
Which of the following is closest in meaning to the word rounds in line 3? The following is closest in meaning to the word line circle.
Oke, sebentar.
Untuk muka saya ini kayak mana? Ima.
Jadi kalimat round itu menandakan momennya ya, momen di paragraf situ, momen yang berbeda-beda gitu.
Makasih ya, Ima.
Oke.
Lai, udah Lai. Tutup nggak ini?
Udah cukup.
Udah.
Udah di
Jadi dulu, Nisa.
Apa?
Tutup dulu, Nisa.
Closing.
I think enough. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you next week.
Bye.
See you.
Oh.